Hello everyone. Today we will look into FastAPI. What is FastAPI and how we can start using it as a framework to build applications. And this is a simple introduction video to FastAPI wherein we will be taking 3 use cases how we can use a FastAPI and deploy an application on the internet or on your local server that is there. So this is why is it called fast? Because it deploys your application quickly by just few lines of code that is there. So I just wanted to show this quick video of how we can start using FastAPI in our local browser and take it forward. We will go to directly to the VS Code. Let me zoom in my code little bit so that you can see it. Yeah. So first we are whichever folder we are, we need to use the helper functions to import union and to import FastAPI and create this app. The first use case that we are doing is we are trying to do hello world. We are using at app.get. The root function is at the rate, and then we are doing def read underscore root return hello world. So suppose now in this application in the browser, if we just give a root hyphen, we will be getting an exact hello world that is there. Similarly, if you want to go in little bit more details, like if you want to give item and item ID, it is going to return that particular item ID as well. So this is the second version that we can look. The third version is if you want to have a specific underscore hello underscore name. Suppose we want something like this hello, and then your particular name is going to come as well. So this is the second thing that we want to look forward for. And the third one is the chat interface, which we will discuss in little bit details, wherein we are using the inference client and the Hugging Face token and the GPT-2 model, which is available for free. And then we are writing a prompt. If it is a default prompt, then it is going to write once upon a time, and it is going to give you the options that are there. So we will start running one by one to just see the first use case. The second one is about the quantity. The third one is about the hello and specific name. And the fourth one is when we do underscore chat, you will be getting a chat interface of a completion type of prompt that is there. How to run this? We are running this code in main.py. We are saving this code in main.py. Then we are doing basic, you can say, pip installs. The first one is pip install FastAPI, which is the most important package for this. Then we are installing the UVCon, which is the interface, UVCon standard. Then we are installing the for the Hugging Face chat, the one that you saw here, the Hugging Face chat, wherein we are doing the completion. We are using pip install the latest Hugging Face hub, just to be sure, because there are a lot of versions that are there. So this is what also we are installing. And then we are after all the 3 installations, the code is here, main.py. We are just running this UVCon, this particular application that you are seeing, and once we run this application, you will get this link here. So we will one by one see this link. So now by default, as you can see, by default, if I just do 1227, this is the default, it is coming hello world. Let me zoom in a little bit. Yeah. So now suppose I do underscore the second one that you can see here. So the root, if I just do this, it is giving me the root. If I just do this again, 12880 and just to slash, it is giving me the default, that is hello world. Then the second one is if we are giving items, like if we do items and then we just give the item ID, it is going to print it out. So let me just do item grok, just because I'm doing a grok workshop. So it is getting detailed not found, so it is just coming this particular thing, it is searching, and if it is there it is giving. So right now it is not there, so it is giving you error. But let me just do items, 1 second. I think it is spelling mistake. Items, yeah, so this is the one. So I will just remove this is just giving some confusion for now. So now we have hello name. So suppose now we do hello. So now we get hello Arshad, year 2024, the one that is here. If you can see the hello, the name that we are typing in, and then Arshad. And the third one is chat. So for chat, I'm using Hugging Face in Inference Client, where I'm getting the token. For token, we need to go to the website decodingdatascience.com, wherein we have the blog that tells us how we can get the I will share this also in the comment, but how to get the token, the detailed video to how to get the token. After you get this token from here, take this token and put it in your application, and you're using free GPT-2, and you want to get the basic output to chat completion, and you're using a max token if you are prompting it, or using 140, that is the default. So this is the one, and you are printing the response and you are returning the message. So to invoke this, you just need to do chat, and then you can just do chat, and then you will get once upon a time is the default. The world was a great place of beauty, and whatever it is coming. Suppose you want to again put a prompt, then you will do prompt is equal to what is Tesla. So Tesla is a term used for so this is GPT-2, so it is not that great as GPT-4, the latest version, but it is giving us a description of basic Tesla. So now we have taken a simple Python script and deployed it on the you can say on this server. UVCon is running on this server, and then we are able to check 3 use cases that are there. Very simple use cases. I will just repeat. One is just printing the hello world, that is the default. The second one is specifying your name to that particular Python script, and the third one is running a chat interface. As you can see, app.get/chat. Then you are running an async def the chat prompt, wherein you are getting the prompt whatever the person is mentioning, and putting it inside the inference client, which is using the Hugging Face hub. Then you are using GPT-2. You are using the token that is in the website that we showed you how to get it here from here, and then we are taking that and we are putting in the prompt or a default once upon a time, and then we are putting in a token. We are completing the response by the text generation. We are using the input text token as 140 or max that we are determining, and then we are printing the response and returning the response in the as a output. So this is the simple 4 things we are using, and we are deploying it using the FastAPI, and we are getting the whole option. As you can see what is there in the in this particular script here that is there. This is my local host. The FastAPI is running in my local host 127.00.1.800/ everything is been getting here. So this is how we use FastAPI. This is a very quick way of running and a modern, fast, high performance web framework for building APIs with Python based on standard Python type, and it is very easy to install, very easy to start working with, and it is one of the most used frameworks by a lot of people out there. So these are the basic things that you need to know and you need to work around with, and see you in the next video.